Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Cappies. Sun, Moon, Venus are rising from 6th till the 12th of January. The rules can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots, or you can mail us for the same if you have any queries. So let's start. Cappy is the person that you have no contact or no communication with. Their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are we have the Two of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Empress. Temperance and Empress. Okay. See, what is happening here is Capricorn. This is someone who is kind of trying to calm their horses down. There is a lot of confusion, lot of up and down, lot of feelings of what should I do, what should I do, what should I do. They feel like having growth and expansion with you, but either they have somebody else also that they're dealing with, and or you are dealing with somebody else also, and they're feeling like trapped in this situation where they're trying their best to make one decision, make one choice, but they are not able to do that. That is why this person feels like they should practice patience as much as they can, and they should find out a solution to the problem instead of getting all confused about it, all frustrated about it. That is what they're feeling, okay, in the situation. They feel like having something beautiful with you, but at the same time they don't know how to do it, or they don't know how you are going to react to this. So that is why they feel like practicing patience is the key here. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? My eyes got stuck on Lord Buddha's statue. Yeah, so they want to manifest love in the situation. They're like, okay, universe, if this is meant for me, this person should come back to my life with a lot of love, with a lot of compassion, with a stable relationship. Otherwise, I should this situation should get out of my life completely. So they're manifesting either a complete reconciliation, if it is possible, with all of your heart and soul, and with all of their heart and soul. And if it is not meant to be, they're manifesting this energy of letting it go completely out of their life, out of their system, because they're kind of not being able to cope up with these kind of on and off, in and out kind of energies anymore. Right, cool. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 12th of January. We have the Hanged Man, the Five of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. See, they are in the surrender mode right now because of the chaos and the conflict that's going on within themselves. Right now, they are struggling within themselves. There is a lot of anxiety, depression, a lot of energy of not being able to control what's going on inside of them. So right now, they are in this energy of, okay, let me surrender to the divine. Let me just settle down my own energies first. And when I'm going to be not in this anxious energies anymore, when I'm going to be in a peaceful kind of energy, then I'm going to see what I can do about it, right? So right now they are not being able to connect with you because a lot of up and down and conflict and chaos and anxious kind of energies are going on within themselves, that they're trying to sort out, that they're trying to resolve within themselves right now. In this, it's like right now they're struggling with themselves, their own energies. That is why they're not able to connect with you the way they should. But either they want it all or they want nothing at all. That is the deal here. Okay, now for you, the guidance here is the star. Okay, remain optimistic and positive in the direction for sure. Heal yourself properly before jumping into any kind of conclusion of whether you should give them another shot or not, right? So, healing yourself properly and understanding your own patterns, your own desires, and your own wishes regarding love and relationship area with or without this person is highly recommended, so that you can attract the kind of energy that you want in your life, right? But healing yourself properly and letting go of the limiting beliefs and obstacles and challenges that you're facing in this area of your life might be again and again and again is highly recommended in order to move to the next chapter peacefully, okay, and optimistically, beautifully. So yeah, that is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.